हाँ, ये हो जाओ, ऑनलाइन हो जाओ, खोल दिए हैं। हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है अरविंद? हेलो,
गुड आफ्टरनून सर। गुड आफ्टरनून।
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ, आवाज तुम्हारा उधर से नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ सर, हमारा क्या अब आ रहा है? हेलो।
नहीं, आवाज नहीं आ पा रहा तुम्हारा।
सर सर आपका आवाज एकदम फ्रेश आ रहा है।
अरविंद, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तुम्हारा। हेलो, 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 हेलो।
गुड आफ्टरनून। अब आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा।
सर
अपना
आपका
माइक
आवाज लेकिन
देख
आ
लो,
रहा
माइक।
था। ठीक
ठीक
है,
है,
ठीक
ये
बता रहा।
तुम्हारा माइक तो ही ये
यस
ऑफ।
सर।
माइक ऑन करो।
नहीं नहीं सर, ऑफ नहीं
अरविंद,
है, म्यूट नहीं है, खुला है। सर खुला है।
अरे यार, तुम्हारा
सर ये
माइक
खुला है,
ऑफ है
माइक
तो
मेरा
कैसे
खुला है।
आवाज आएगा, ये पहले बताओ।
नहीं सर, यहाँ तो ठीक खुला दिख रहा है। तो हेडफोन निकाल के लाओ तो। हेलो हेलो हेलो।
चलो, ठीक है। ये today's class is anthrax in wild animals. Anthrax, all of the know about the very well know about the anthrax. It is a highly zoonotic disease. It is a acute infectious septicemic disease commonly affecting herbivorous animals, characterized by high fever, rapid cough, sudden death, and greatly enlarged spleen. Splenomegaly is a common features in the case of the anthrax, caused by the Bacillus anthracis.
Anthracosis, yes.
It is a worldwide distributions. In India, it is mostly seasonal, sporadic outbreak occurring usually in the rainy season. In the rainy seasons, so many times outbreak occur in
Yes.
so many parts of the country.
Country, yes, sir.
This is the history of the anthrax disease, the anthrax Bacillus anthracis
Yes.
was the first bacterium shown to be the cause of a disease. Well-known scientist Koch postulate. In 1877, Robert
Yes.
Koch grew the organism in pure culture, demonstrated its ability to form endospore, and
Yes.
produce experimentally anthrax by injecting into the animals. Anthrax is a
Yes.
disease of domesticated as well as the wild animals. This is the photographs of the Bacillus anthracis stained by the gram stains. The cells have characteristic squared end. The endospores are ellipsoidal shaped and located centrally in the Sprengulum. The spores are highly refractile to light and resistant to staining. This is the rod-shaped chain in the blood smear cells. Other is the important specific stain. It is called methylene blue. In this stains, the bacilli taken a special color and given a reaction is called McFadden reactions. In the case of the wild animal herbivorous, anthrax causes sudden severe illness, including fever, excitements followed by depressions, rapid devilations, respiratory or cardiac distress, staggering, trembling, and it's also suddenly collapse within a few hours to a day. Extensive swelling of the skin may also be observed. Wild carnivorous, it is a commonly disease of the herbivorous animals, but in the case of the wild carnivorous can act as a carrier of the bacteria. Pigs, cats, and dogs may experience swelling of the throat, which can lead to suffocations following ingestions of contaminated meat. Like a susceptibility, domestic and wild animals such as sheep, cattle, goats, antelopes, deer, bison, impala, particularly more susceptible of the anthrax disease, and some other wild herbivorous reported with anthrax infections includes, but are not limited to, white-tailed deer, moose, elk, bison, lambs, giraffes, elephants, and hippopotamus. However, fatal disease in carnivorous have only been observed in animal in captive. Wild scavengers, including wolves, fox, hyena, vulture, and herring gulls, are known as a carrier of anthrax organism. They are not known to become ill, but it is also transmit disease to the healthy ones. Anthrax spores occurs naturally in soil and highly resistant to changes in temperature, humidity, UV light, and chemicals. It is a not easily destroy change the properties to the temperature, humidity, evenly UV light, and so many chemicals. It means they can persist in the environment for a decades. They float easily and may be stirred up to a time of heavy rain or flooding. When the dry period follow heavy rain, the spores collects in a pool of waters, and when the water evaporates, the spores are concentrated in low-lying depressions. This is why anthrax outbreaks are often associated with a dry period following heavy rain or flooding, usually in the summer. This is the one of the regions of the spreading of the outbreak of the anthrax in the rainy season. Okay, thank you. Ingestion, wound infection, fly inhalations, vaccinations, it is easily transmit to the route or by the way of the transmissions of the disease. A spread of infections through water stream, rivers, fly, and wild birds. This is a broad range of the transmissions of the disease. Pathogenesis. Pathogenesis में जो है it is also ingested by spore form. It is also coached in the pharynx, and after that pharynx it is also come in the stomach. After the stomach it is also goes to the intestine, and intestine that cross the mucosa and comes in the blood streams and producing the septicemia in the spore forms. Septicemia due to the capsules and exotoxins. Capsules have a properties. This is the made by the glutamic acids and have a property anti-phagocytic property. This is the surviving property. For this properties, anti-phagocytic property may be survived easily, and due to the glutamic acid, the poly-D-glutamate, this is the properties of the fibrinolytic property. Then prevent the clotting of blood. So in the case of the anthrax, blood, it is not easily blood not clotted in the affected by the anthrax disease.
After death of yes, sir.
There are so many exotoxins. There have been catalytic effects as a three main components. This is the edema factors, lethal factors, and protective factors. Edema factors, the cyclic AMP productions, the fluid loss from the cells and produce the edema. So in the case of the affected anthrax to the of the animals. There's clinical sign like a swelling of the face, edematous swelling of the face due to the edema factors, and
Yes.
lethal factors. In these factors, the animals, due to those factors, the animals suddenly collapse and in the hours and days. Lethal factors that stimulate the macrophage productions of the oxygen free radicals, and tissue necrotic factors and interleukin 1, and those mediators the dilations of the blood vessels, and severe dilations of the blood vessels, the plasma comes out and animals goes to the hypovolemic shock and death. Death in anthrax due to the shocks and anoxia. Death, apraxia, may be due to the toxin acting on the respiratory centers and the brains. Okay?
Yeah, and the brain. Yes, sir.
Clinical sign, there are the 3 different form of anthrax that occur depending on the route of infection: ingestions of the spores leading to the gastrointestinal form, inhalations of a spore leading to the respiratory form, and introductions of a spore into a break in the skins leading to the cutaneous forms. Respiratory and gastrointestinal anthrax are the most common form in the wild animals. In the case of the wild animals, the respiratory and
Wild.
gastrointestinal anthrax are the most common forms. There are some photographs of anthrax suspected zebra, the oozing out of the bloods from the natural orifice. दूध जो है ये नेचुरल ओरिफिक्स है, नोज, माउथ, ये जो ब्लड जो है unclotted terry colored bloods जो oozed out, and that's photographs the natural opening like a anus, that the oozing out of the bloods from
Yes,
these those sides. So this is a peculiar sign of the anthrax. These are other photographs of the elephants. The anthrax suspected killed to the elephants. So same that the ooze out of the terry colored blood, unclotted bloods from the natural orifice, and carcasses highly extended abdomen. ठीक है, इसमें जो है जो गैस का फॉर्मेशन होता है जिसके कारण जो है ये एब्डोमेन जो है हाईली एक्सटेंडेड पूरा जो है ये फुला हुआ मिलेगा. Gross lesions like postmortem examinations of anthrax carcass should not be conducted. It's a message for every times. In the suspected case of the anthrax carcasses, do not conduct the postmortem examinations. Edema and hemorrhages may be seen in any part of the body, particularly in the serous membrane. In the gross lesions, it may be the examined before the conducting the postmortem examination. It may be the anthrax suspected or other disease. The spleen is the अगर open unfortunately हो गया तो ये जो है splenomegaly enlarged 10 times जो है ये आपको जो है स्प्लीन का साइज बढ़ा हुआ मिलेगा. Lymph nodes are swollen, edematous, and occasionally hemorrhagic. Hemorrhages and swelling may occur in the intestinal tracts, livers, and kidney. In sheep and horse, splenomegaly not a constant lesions. Horse और sheep में है, ठीक है, उसमें जो है स्प्लीन जो है लार्ज नहीं मिलता. In swine, edema and hemorrhages are seen in the pharynx and cervical lymph nodes. Microscopic lesions, large number of bacilli demonstrated in a smear of bloods and or tissue sections. ठीक है? The anthrax rods can be differentiated from PM invaders by Gram stents. Anthracoids and anthrax bacillus इस दोनों में जो है differentiate करना. Invaders, PM invaders is called anthracoids. The end of the anthrax bacilli are triangulated, seen in short chains with a capsules. अगर बेसिला एंथ्रैक्स जो है उसका जो है इंड जो है जब देखोगे तो वो ट्रैंकुलेटेड होगा एंड शॉर्ट चेन, नॉट ए बिग लॉन्ग चेन्स.
जी सर.
But in the case of the some invaders, chain is there, but not a end of the bacilli yeah bacteria is not seen in the triangulated end separate. It may be differentiated easily and it is a longer chains. In the case of the anthrax bacilli, this is producing a shorter chains. This is the suggestive reading materials from there are so many 6 references there. It may be goes to the references and taken the more knowledge. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Have you any query?
सर ये अनक्लॉटेड ब्लड होता है ये इसके लिए कौन क्या रिस्पांसिबल है सब? यस सर यस.
एक स्क्रीनशॉट इसमें कैसे आता है तब तक पता नहीं चलता.
जी मैं ले लिया वो दे रहा.
Leave it.